Hey y'all, Kaya here of WayUp Goodies. First of all, we just want to send everyone our love and well wishes during these terrible times. We're all locked in our house. Those of us that aren't locked in our house, I'm sure you're out dealing with the public, which is assholes right now. Just hang in there. We're gonna get through this. Alright, so tonight we're gonna make a classic really quick. We're gonna make some Fruity Pebbles cereal treats. Fruity Pebbles, you're gonna need some marshmallows, and you're gonna need your canna butter or your canna oil. So I'm using both canna butter and canna oil instead of just butter. I don't have any measurements because this is kind of like a see and feel recipe. If you want your treats to be I guess gooier, then you would use more marshmallows than cereal. If you want yours drier, like I normally prefer, then you would use more cereal. But I think tonight we're gonna make them a little gooey. All right, yeah, so let's try it. Okay. Oh, burner. Okay, so you want to get your pan. So you can do this by like a double boil if you want. Some people do that. Some people just do it directly on the pan. I'm just gonna do it directly on the pan because I just want to. So you get your pan nice and hot, medium high to like, you know, kind of low. You don't want it too hot. You're not really trying to fry your marshmallows. Okay. So we're gonna get our butter. So I'm using about 3 tablespoons altogether. So this is about 2 tablespoons of canna butter and 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. Canna coconut oil that we infuse. I said about because, like I said before, it's really not much. Okay, that's all melty. Now I'm gonna take some marshmallows. I'll break mine. It's just a little easier on the melting, I guess. Okay, get that in there. Oh, it's a little too hot. I'm gonna turn it down. Okay, so now we're melting marshmallows. It's just a waiting game. You don't want it too hot. You just don't want to rush it. So the fun thing is, y'all that's home with your children, sorry to hear it, but you can make this with canna butter for you to keep you nice and chill and relaxed, you know. A1 parenting. Then you can make it for the kids too without the canna butter. Unless you give your child canna butter for medical reasons, or that's the kind of parent you are. Whatever. Ain't my business.
That's how I feel now too.
Alright. Now we're gonna add our cereal. So we already made some treats, but so this is all we have left.
Hope for the best.
Hope for the best. Oh, you can turn it off now from here. Now we just mix. Now you can make this with any cereal, as I'm sure some of you know. All kind of new cereal out now. You want to try it? Try it. Get that in there good. right, so over here we have a glass pan. I use glass, obvious reasons. Glass trumps everything. So you want to get some non-stick spray on this. You can use parchment paper if you want, but you still need to use this non-stick spray. Okay. Now I'm gonna take here. Uh-oh. Okay. Oh, got it. And I just wanna spread it. You can use whatever size pan you want. You can use a cup, a bowl, it don't matter. You don't have to use anything. You can just sit in front of your Netflix and eat it out the damn pan if you want. But I'm gonna do it like this. We could pretend like we got some class. It's delish. It smells so good. So fruity.
And that's it?
That's it. So this whole pan, we put, what did we say, baby? 3 tablespoons? Times 14.
45. 42.
Yeah. 42. Okay. So this whole pan is gonna be 42 milligrams. And then you just want to lay a piece of parchment paper over top of it, let it cool, you know, let it get nice and stiff, and then you're gonna enjoy it.
I mean, obviously, if you use stronger canna butter, it would be stronger.
Yes, but we're fans of microdosing over here. But some people need more, so definitely use as much as you want. That's up to you. And that's about it. So thanks for watching this super easy recipe, a classic, always fun and delicious. That's all we got for you. Stay healthy-ish, stay high, and just stay safe, all right? Thanks, peace.